assembled for the opening ceremony of Peace Centre, Jain World Peace Centre. We are looking for peace, but where this peace comes from? Most of the people think that peace should be in the world, but they couldn't pay attention that peace comes from within and not from outside. Unless we pay attention to spiritual upliftment, we couldn't get eternal peace, for which we are looking for through this center opening program. Today, I have been told that I have to speak on some scientific aspects of Jainism, which we are focusing nowadays. We are inviting so many scholars, scientists, and doctors who are interested to learn about Jainism in the light of science. Today we have seen there are two books which have been released by Kamalji Dugar and Surendraji Bohra. These two books are the collections of different scientific research papers which have been written by so many scientists, doctors and scholars and experts. They have seen that Jainism has enough potential to speak on scientific background. Each and every Jain principle and practices have some scientific base. If we could learn about the scientific base, we could learn that how Jainism can help us not only in the spiritual development, but it will also help to be a healthy personality, to create a healthy social environment, and to create a peaceful and coexistential world order. So this way we will find that how thinkers, how scientists, how doctors, how scholars are thinking about Jainism. Jainism is not a particular religion, but it is a way of living. It is way of thinking. And nowadays the scientists are looking that Jainism is not only a religion, but it is a kind of science. If we could learn about Jainism in scientific manner, then we will find that each and every principle has some scientific base behind it. And if we could learn all those things, we would always be fascinated about getting this kind of great philosophy, great religion, and great super science which have been given by the 24 Tirthankars, enlightened acharyas, and the later thinkers and eminent scholars. Today I am talking about some of the principles. You would find that how Jainism is a very scientific religion. It is a science which is beyond sometimes imagination of our mind. There are certain theories which have been identified by the scholars and scientists, especially in these two volumes. They have found that Jainism has contributed a lot. Today, science is thinking in the line in which Jain Tirthankars have already thought of 2600 years before. For example, we are practicing fasting. During Paryushan, these days are celebrated and being celebrated as Paryushan Day. During Paryushan Parva, we find that people observe long fasting. We think that fasting is a very great finance to elevate ourselves spiritually, but nowadays scientists are looking that there is a kind of autophagy which is in the body of our human body. This is a system which helps to eradicate waste material from our body. So this autophagy process which is going on in the body helps us to eradicate or to discard the excretions of our body when we keep fasting. And this speed goes on more fast when we observe long fasting. So this kind of autophagy which has been especially given by some scientists during this 2016 year, and they were awarded Nobel Prize just because of the inventing or discovering of this autophagy process, which is especially related to our body. So this is one principle. There is another principle which has been said by the scientists, and that is called circadian rhythms. Our body system is related to solar system. How it is being governed by solar system? We have been practicing not to take food at night. Why it is prescribed in Jain scriptures? There is reason that during night time we may kill some small insects when we cook food or we eat. Nowadays people think that there is enough light. Why we are practicing still this kind of rules and regulations? Scientists have discovered that if our body system is being governed by solar system, if sunlight is there, we digest easily. If sunlight is not there, then our digestive system becomes very slow, and if during that time if we take any kind of food stuff, that creates some problems to our body. So this is a kind of circadian rhythms which have been discovered by some scientists, and for this small theory he has been given Nobel Prize in 2017. There are certain other scientific theories. Among them we find that Jainism has said that in this universe there is nothing which destroys completely. Everything remains forever in some form or other form. Things are becoming reformed. They are not destroying absolutely. So that kind of theory is discussed in the field of science as the theory of principle of conservation of mass and principle of conservation of energy. During the Big Bang theory of the universe, it has been discussed that things are just reforming and they are not destroying completely. So Jainism has also told about so many theories regarding the eternality of the existence of every atom, every individual cell, and this theory is now being proved by scientific some researches. Similarly, there are certain other rules and regulations, certain principles which have been discussed by scientists as entanglement. We are looking for peace, and for peace we need to have understand that why we are on the earth. The human beings are seen as the best evolution of cosmic races, and all human beings, all living beings are not for struggle, for survival. They are supporting each other. They are rendering service to each other. And this principle has been written down by Acharya Maswati in 2nd century BC in the form that Parasparopagraho Jivana. All living beings are supporting each other. Without support of other living beings, we cannot survive. So there is interdependence of our existence. Everything is connected with other. Everything is dependent for its own existence on other. This interdependence principle, if we could understand, then we will not think to kill any other living being, whether they are smallest, whether they are related to any country, creed or culture. So this principle helps us to understand why we need peace this time. There is international terrorism which is spreading speedily throughout the whole world. And this is the reason we are looking for peace. And this peace can come if we understand the principle of interdependence, and we can follow why we have to follow this, because our existence is due to the existence of other people or other living beings. Bhagwan Mahavir has said in Acharan especially that if you overlook the existence of other living beings, whether they are smallest living beings or the big one, you will find that your existence is itself in danger because of the demolishing the existence of other living beings. So this kind of thing, if we could understand, then we will find that peace is within us, peace is in our hands, and peace can be spreaded throughout the universe if we could follow the principle of non-violence, if we could understand the principle of interdependence, if we could understand the principle of interconnectivity on which scientists are focusing. Now, philosophers are also focusing on this principle, and they are promoting the principle of interculturality. Anekantavad, you know the theory of Anekantavad, which has been given Mahavir by before 2600 years ago. And under this principle, we find the principle of reconciliation, peaceful coexistence, relativity, tolerance, and equality. If these 5 principles can be accepted by all the people of the world, I think peace is not far from us. We can get peace in our hand, we can get peace everywhere in our surrounding, and we can see peace in the world. So with these words, I want to finish my lecture. Today it is the great occasion, and I am very much thankful to the organizers, especially Samani Pragyaji and Kamalji and Hasubhai. With their united effort, we are assembled here to celebrate this opening ceremony of Jain World Peace Centre. I think this center will help you to get the peace in true sense in your individual life, and also in social life, and also in the world. And the blessings of Acharya Shri Tulsi Mahapragya and Mahashamanji are always with us. We will always go ahead, and we have miles ahead, go ahead, and with the support of all Jain community, this kind of can be easily fulfilled. With these words, I finish my lecture.